Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. We got ourselves in section 10 again, so really sought after, cool community in Las Vegas. And before we get too further, it's Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Appreciate you guys watching. If you ever want to get in touch with me, my cell is 702-493-1934. You can also email me, jake@jbrelv.com, or visit our website for free home evaluations or to start your own search, jakeburkettrealestatelv.com. All right, so let's talk about this house. It's rather attractive, as you can see here. Let me back up a little bit, kind of get you the lay of the land here. For reference, like I said, we're in section 10. It's a mostly all half-acre custom home community, and that's what it's known for. So we are just down the road from the Blue Herring Project Prada, so super close to that if you're a Blue Herring fan. So this house in particular, it is 4,053 square feet. It's got 6 bedrooms, 5 total bathrooms, and it's got the 2-car garage right there. So it's been renovated. I think the curb appeal on this house is probably, this is great. It's a beautiful home. All right, let's go ahead and head inside. You guys don't want to hear me talk all day. Hope everyone's having a good day. It's a beautiful spring day here in Las Vegas. Got a big driveway. We do have RV parking here too. Nice tile work. You got a little wrought iron gate action here. Got some stonework on the side. All right, let's keep going. All right, so we're gonna do, there's a basement here too, so somehow I keep going into all these basement homes, but let's just go ahead and hit up the, like the big living room, formal living room right here as you'd see it. So got some upgraded flooring, got some straight edge baseboards. Obviously you can see the big vaulted ceilings, nice windows up there. Bunch of great daylight coming in right there. Got a neat looking chandelier. You got a bunch of lights that have been added to the ceiling, so it's super good, super important. Go back here to this corner. Upstairs you got 2 bedrooms. You got the rest downstairs, and we do have one right here on the main floor. So since we're talking about it, let's go take a look at it. So this could be a bedroom, of course, if you had in-laws staying with you. This could be an office. It does have a walk-in closet right there. It's got a nice window. Nothing too crazy. There is a bathroom right here too, so it's got its own door, but we'll just take a peek right here. So sink, toilet, full shower. Over here, we're gonna walk into the kitchen area, and the basement's off to my left. So, and we're gonna walk backyard too. Backyard's great. So got another vaulted ceiling over here in the living room. Got a couple skylights. So if you've never seen the skylight, that's what they look like. You get natural light that comes into the house from it. Got a gas fireplace. Got some surround sound built into the walls right there. Kitchen, we got 2 islands. Quartz countertops all the way around. Big, thick, look at the thick edges on there. It's like 3-inch edge, waterfall on both of these. Have some bar stools there. Of course, you can see some lights hanging down. Got more storage on both sides of these, so that's pretty cool. Storage is very important. Got this little bay area over here. You could have a, this would be great if you built in like a little breakfast nook. So maybe some benches against the wall with a little table, but you get a lot of great light coming in right there. Some backsplash, all electric house. Got your 2 ovens. Got a cool little pantry over here. So it's got this barn door slider you can see on it. It just slides over closed. And then it's got like a little open air action right there. Now this fridge, if I was buying this house, I would put a bigger fridge in here. So it's too small of a fridge for that opening. Before we go outside, check this out. So it's almost got like a second kitchen back here. These lights shut off on me. Let me get them back on. All right, so you got another sink. As you can see, you got more storage. You got a bathroom. It's just a toilet. And then you have the garage. We'll just peek into it real quick. Nothing too crazy. So washer and dryer would go right here to my right. Got more storage. You got a sink, like I said, quartz countertop. You got like almost a little entertainment center here. And then you have another fridge that's kind of quasi built in, kind of matches the decor in here. And got a little side door right here. That's the backyard. Side yard, excuse me. AC units right there. All right, let's continue into this house. Of course, we appreciate you all watching with us, touring with us. Always appreciate you subscribing, interacting, commenting with us. Do have a couple of electrical outlets on the floor in here, so if you have couches or whatnot. But the backyard's pretty sweet. Let's go take a peek out here. So, super quiet. It's like your own little paradise out here. Got a little gas fire pit over there to my right. We'll walk over here. This is where we just popped out on that door. So really not much of a need to come too far over here. So you got backyard access there. Kind of slowly pan around. We'll go to the edge over here. Of course, you got natural grass right there. You could, tons of room to put a pool in here if you wanted to. You got a sport court over there. So that's pretty cool. Basketball area. You got a little kids playground here too. As you can see, looks just like the one my daughter had growing up. And yeah, let's just take a peek of the house from down here. Get a little perspective. Try not to have that sunlight blast us out. Cool little gazebo over here where they have a hot tub. And there's a little outdoor kitchen that is just off. Look at these rose bushes. Little outdoor kitchen is just off the main dining room. So, like I said, neat little gazebo. Here's that RV gate on the side. It's all pavered parking area right here. Pretty neat, pretty neat. And then up here is the little outdoor barbecue area. And that's the dining room we're in there to begin with. Pretty neat. All right, let's go back inside, shall we? All right, we are going to go to the basement, and then we'll go upstairs. So let's go down to the basement, shall we? All right, so here's the basement. You got like a general open room here, and then you just got some storage areas. What is this right here? This is the, oh, I believe that's water down there. Got a bathroom. Super low ceiling right here, so I'm 6'1" and my head pretty much hits that. Shower, tub sink, and then here's the bedrooms. They're all kind of the same looking. Got a little window, walk-in closet. You know, this would be like if you had kids, this would be a great place. Or if you, pool table, shuffleball, like a little entertainment cave. Here's one of the other bedrooms. This one's kind of, hello? It's got like a Jack and Jill closet. So this closet, we'll just walk through it, is shared with this room. And yeah, that's kind of the basement really. So just over here, I think we have access to the HVAC units, storage area, some of the septic and whatnot. So more storage. You can see part of the slab of the house. All right, let's go upstairs to the primary. All right, so we got this little room right here, right off the primary. Big great office, study, bedroom, nursery. And then we have the primary bedroom right here. Plenty big. Lots of lights. It's got its own balcony. Here we have the bathroom. Customized out. Big old thick quartz countertops, custom mirrors. Got tile all the way to the ceiling up there, all the way around. Freestanding soaking tub sitting on river rocks, kind of cool. Big old deep walk-in shower. And got this closet. Pretty neat. All right, well, hey again, thanks so much for joining us today. Please give me a call, send me a text, 702-493-1934. You can also email jake@jbrelv.com. Visit our website, jakeburkettrealestatelv.com. Please subscribe, please comment, tell us what you like, what you don't like, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.